My name is Jason. I'm the Sales and Export Director of Anhui Prada Machine Manufacturer Company Limited, which has been manufacturing HVAC duct forming machines for years. This video is for our grooving machines with 5 grooves for HVAC duct forming. Please allow me to introduce you more details of it. This machine is capable of making 1 to 5 grooves with width adjustable for customers' certain requirements. With regard to the specification, let's take our model GXP-1300 for example. Plate thickness 0.5 to 1.2 millimeters. Maximum plate width 1300 millimeters. Power 2.2 kilowatts. Weight 1,300 kilograms. Thank you very much for the listening and watching. Thank you.